Hi, this is Ask NCM. I'm Steve Hall at the NCM Institute. Do you have inconsistencies in your multi-point inspections from your technicians? One technician measures tires and they come in at 2:30 seconds, and another one measures the same tires and they come in at 3 or 4:30 seconds, or one person measures brakes and there's 4 millimeters and the customer leaves, comes back and has a special order part put on a week later. We remeasure brakes and they've grown. Well, it's not that they've grown, it's not that we're doing anything wrong other than inconsistencies in the way we're doing our multi-point inspection. In the brake example, maybe one technician is measuring to the wear indicator, saying there's 4 millimeters of pad to the wear indicator, where the other one, whenever it came back in, measured to the backing plate of the pad, which meant there was 6 millimeters. So the pad didn't change, the way we communicated and measured it changed. Same way with the tires. Maybe one measured to the wear bar and the other one measured to the deeper part of the tread, making an inconsistency. So my challenge to you is, can you get your multi-point inspections more consistent? This will help you present to customers with more confidence. One of the challenges advisors have is if they get inconsistent measurements from different technicians, then they don't know how to sell. They don't know whether to say you have 2 millimeters to your brake wear indicator, or you have 2 millimeters to your brake backing plate. Two totally different scenarios. One you need brakes, the other one you can get by a little bit longer with, okay? So one of the ways I used to get consistency in this is training, but I tried to make training fun with it. Think about making a tournament bracket. Just think March Madness, NCAA Tournament type setup. Take your technicians, put them into a bracket, and you can put them into a competition. Bring in an 80,000 mile car that's not been through reconditioning. Have two people paired up. Have your longest term technician, your number 1 seed, versus your newest express technician, your number 16 seed. Not a fair fight, but it's not a fair fight in the NCAA tournament either. And you're going to have them each write an inspection on the vehicle. Whenever they do this, you're going to call the group together, have them go over their inspections and see who did the best job. Did one measure one way, one measure another way? If so, you can set the standard for the whole group on how it's done. Everybody measures to the backing plate, or everybody measures to the wear indicator. You set the standards, everybody follows it then. And what you do is with this tournament, you match up all these people just like a Sweet 16 on this, and then they move over a level, and maybe you give out a $5 Starbucks card for the first round winners. Then the second round winners pair off maybe a week later. You try to drag this out over about a month, and the winners of that maybe gets a $10 lunch card to a sandwich shop. And then the third round winners, maybe a $25 gift card to some restaurant or something. And then the grand prize winner, the finalist on this, maybe they get a $100 gift card to somewhere fun, you know, where they can get something for themselves. You're trying to make a competition, an interaction with everybody, and get consistency. By the second and third rounds of this competition, you're going to find out everybody's doing a great job on these inspections, and now you can present to customers with confidence that everything is good on their car, or not so good, but you know exactly what you're up against. Make it fun, get everybody involved, and I hope this helps you become a better dealership and present to your customers in a more positive way. If something's on your mind you'd like us to address, please send it to us at askncm@ncmassociates.com. We'll see what we can do to get your question on the video feed.